morning guys, in front of me is Sony Xperia 1.6 and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. First of all, open your phone dealer, then enroll keypad and let's start with the codes. The first one that you can use is *#06#. This one will provide you with device information, so whenever you want to check email number, serial number, whatever, just enter this code and it will be displayed right in front of you within a couple of seconds. Another code that you can use on your device is *##, #225, #**. And here we've got the calendar info. So right in front of you are all upcoming events that are connected with any calendar that you've got on your device. So this is it. And the third code that you can use here is *##, 4636, ***. Here we've got the testing mode in which you can check phone information, usage statistics, and also Wi-Fi details. So under Wi-Fi info you've got Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration, and Wi-Fi status. Here you can run a ping test if you want, and here you've got the results. So this is it, and actually these are all codes that I wanted to share with you today. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.